Hello traders, the title of the video is how to perform a thorough psychological price action analysis. Alright. So we want to perform a psychological price action analysis. What do I mean by that? Alright. When we're looking at a chart like this, alright, we see the price action, and now we are talking about the psychology of the price action. And the trader will be wondering, okay, the price action does not have any psychology that we can study. But when we are talking about the psychology of the price action, we are talking about the market participants. So you look at a financial instrument, there is a group of traders talking about the major market players, right, the most influential market players that are trading the financial instrument will leave their footprint on the chart. By analyzing the psychology of the price action, we are talking about the psychology of the major market player that is trading the financial instrument, the major financial market group that is trading the financial instrument. All right, how are they trading? All right, what is the behavior of those traders? Though we are referring it to the chart itself, talking about the psychology of the price, is all down to the market participant. Okay, so I'm looking at this chart, so have a look. Okay, have a look and see whether you can spot, all right, a psychology of those who are trading this stock. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Assurance Incorporated, EPIC AIZ, Alpha India Zulu. I belong to the financial services sector. It's an American stock, by the way, and I'm on a monthly chart. All right. Looking at the chart, all right, try to look at it and see whether you can deduct something from the psychology of those who are trading this stock, Assurance Incorporated. Now, I've been looking at this chart for a while, and I come to a conclusion that this is looking at the chart, how the price is progressing. It looks to me that these are market participants that are very, very conservative. Now, you may come out with a different thing because you are looking at the chart, you have your own observation. It's not because I'm saying that is completely true. So from your viewpoint, how would you analyze this chart? How would you analyze, okay, those market participants? All right. The reason why I can see that they are a little bit conservative traders is that they are trading around key level. Whenever the price breaks above a key level, the price is carefully retesting that key level. And they keep doing it consistently. So these are not gamblers. They are. It looks to me those are technical traders, or hedge funds, traders that are trading for a hedge fund are trading this stock. So you see here, pay attention to whether it breaks above, it retests, yes or no. All right, that's exactly what he did. Look at this session again here. After running, blah 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 blah. All right, came back again and retest that prior high here. Again here. All right. Now look at this section here. So the price was going down. See, went up, went down, went up, pulled back. So this is a pivot point here. All right. Right there. All right. Look again. He went above that pivot point after he went down. Goes up again, he went up and he pulled back to retest it. And again, every time the price breaks above that key level and retest it, people are buying. They were buying here. So in my view, those are very, very conservative traders. Look again here. When the price, he went above it, but here he went a little bit below it. Why? Okay, they were preferring, okay, the moving average instead, in that case, a bit here. So, all right, they push it down very fast here. All right. So I can deduct that those are very, very conservative, okay, market participants. If you look at this section here, if I move it down here to this high here, you see this side. They are watching key levels. Look at the first time. After breaking above that key level, he retests it. They were buyers. Very conservative traders. Yeah, again, he breaks above that level. He retests it again. All right. And look at this session here. I'm talking about the high here, the zone. He breaks above and he retests it, and there were buyers again there. All right. And they are doing it non-stop. All right. Pay attention to this one here. This key over here. You can see that they were trying to retest it here. It breaks above. So they say, oh, let's push it back to retest before buying. But you see, the bullish momentum were a little bit strong, but they were trying to bring it back to retest it after it breaks above this key level here. All right. So I'm looking at this chart and I'll say, all right, it looks to me that those who are trading this stock, psychologically speaking, if we analyze them, those are traders that are very, very conservative. They are trading on the edge, carefully, all right, at the key levels. All right. Okay. Again, look at the way they respected this trend line. So price went up, pull back, that blue trend line. It went up again, that blue trend. There were buyers. Again went up, went to the trend line. Went up to the trend line. There were buyers all the time, except this session here. Looks to me that those who are trading this stock are very, very conservative traders. If I draw a very simple conservative, okay, so if you consider all this, you see price went down and turn around here. So it went down and turn around back to the cycle point. If I use this measuring stick as a conservative measurement instead of bringing it all the way down here, all right, if I use the conservative measurement, you see here, again, the target is there. See, and they all take profit again. You see, in that zone again, they took profit there. All right. So we can look at a chart. You can come up with a different observation. Okay. You may identify different things. So you are gathering information. But what you do with those data that you are gathering, all right, you want to analyze the psychology of the price action. By analyzing the psychology of the price action, you are in fact analyzing the psychology of the market participant. Now, a trader may say, George, okay, I'm not a psychologist. I don't care about psychology. What psychology got to do with technical trading or investing? Now, I'm very passionate when it comes to market forecast using predictive fractal pattern. And this video belongs to that subject of predictive fractal pattern trading. Now, when we are using predictive fractal pattern trading strategy, we use a pattern that were in place before. Another thing that we use is the psychology of the price action to predict the behavior of those market participants that are trading the financial instrument. As I demonstrate to you on this chart, it looks to me that those who are trading this stock are very, very conservative market participants. It looks to me those are technical traders. Hedge funds probably are trading this stock, and their traders are trading carefully on the edge of a trend line, on the edge of a prior key levels. All right. So with that thing in mind, what kind of deduction can I make with that? Where the price here down? You see, they were trying to retest again that same blue trend line here. Will he find a support? We will see that he has a high chance to find a support one more time here. But you see, the forecast is always an expectation. There is another thing that we can say. You see, the price was in this channel before. Now it's coming out of the channel. If it breaks, you see, those are very conservative traders that are trading on the edge. They are very careful and they are very conservative. All right. So, looking at the way I draw this channel now, those traders, all right, they may prefer to retest again this high here, because of their behavior. So that will be the first target there. If they miss that, all right, they may prefer to trade on the edge of this blue trend line here. So they are happy to trade on the edge of a trend line, And they are happy when the price is retesting, a prior high and so on. All right. So try to work on that kind of attitude, that kind of skill that can help you to analyze the psychology of the price action. By saying the psychology of the price action, at the end of the day, the price will not move in any direction if market participants are not taking position. So it's all down to the market participant. All right, is he going to return this one, or come all the way to the edge here, or is he going to find support there? So if you say, Joe, tell me, it's very simple, just very simple. We've done it 100 times. That candlestick bar is closed there. You will lie there. That's a priority bullish signal above 9668, and priority bearish signal below 9668 using a different time frame trading method. Job done. Job done. That's it. That's all you need to concentrate on right now. And whichever scenario that is occurring, you will handle it carefully. Alright, so this will conclude our discussion to on the daily chart. You see 1, 2, 3. Is he going to find support here and run away one more time? Or is he going to continue to go down to seek that key level there? Alright, form a double top. Right. So we can go on and on and on. Like I come to the daily chart again, I can use the same psychology that I deducted before, that those are very conservative traders. So I see a double top, right? So I'll say these are very conservative traders that are trading carefully. They are trading like an old-fashioned trader. They are respecting all the target, blah, blah, blah. And they are trading like, how the conservative technical traders are trading. So if I use a conservative measurement for the height of this double top here, I can project it below the neckline, and I will set a target there and say, all right, we need to watch that level because those are conservative traders. It is corresponding to this key level here. So that's the level we must watch. There is a midpoint target a little bit below, a midpoint target a little bit below that orange line there. You see? So on any time frame, like now, if you come on the daily chart, you see the signal is fired and so on. Okay, and you want to participate in this trend, and you go for instance, you drop down again one more time to the hourly time frame. Again, anytime you change time frame, you are watching this. So yeah, it's forming a kind of higher low on the hourly time frame. Right, so you are watching it. Now you want to trade it, okay. All right. Black April. All right, that's how you do. So now we can see that if you are day trading, for instance, you say, okay, they will prefer to bring it to the edge here because of how they are trading. All right, that's it. And then you want to watch it. Now that you come on the, we are now the hourly time frame, you are watching it, what they are doing. But remember, though it looks like this, you see now, this is why we say use different time frame. On the daily chart, we see a double top. Now it's looking like bullish, but you need to be careful. It can form A, B, C, D. All right, we don't want the video to be too long. This video is about how to perform a thorough psychological price action analysis by using, the price action. We want to go into the mind of the market participant and find out what type of trader they are. Are they volatile traders? Are they aggressive traders? Are they Fibonacci traders? What sort of traders are those traders? Are they typical swing traders? Are they typical position traders? Are they gamblers? All right? Are they all over the place? Are they retail traders? Are they professional? All right? We go into their mind to find out their behavior, their attitude. How do they react when the price is coming down? How do they react after a rally? How do they react after a pullback? Where are they buying? Okay? So those are the things that you are paying attention to. Okay? If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. It is an essential tutorial that can help other technical traders. Feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the THCW24 traders talking about how to perform a thorough psychological price action analysis. Thank you for watching.